Henry 85.5, guys, check it out. We left the construction site, still with Mark. Now we in Dan. Come on, Mark.
Oh, we need the truck, don't we?
Yeah, get the truck out. Yeah, guys, we're gonna meet Mark. We're gonna let Mark get the truck. We don't need both of us to get the truck. How you doing? Fine. Excuse me there, buddy.
No problem. No problem.
What is this? They got a new boat? Nobody told me about this thing. What is this? $40 miles per hour? 2, 3, or 4F? Self-rightening? Is this?
It's a boat.
It's brushless?
It is, sir. Pull the top.
Look at this guy, guys. Hey, your crawler did real well, man. They love that thing. That's nuts. That's nuts.
It's an outrunner. So
That look like a fishing reel. That's how the motor is? Yeah. Why did you guys do this? Now I gotta come get it. Man, you guys are good, man. I'm telling you. You see the new boat construction?
Yo, I heard it's water cooled, right?
Yeah, it's water cooled. The water goes.
No, the boat. Yeah, the boat. Yeah, the boat. I need something for it.
Whoa.
new drive shaft. I got
Is that what I need? New drive shaft?
Look at that. I'm just so amazed by this motor construction, guys. I'm trying to look at this thing real good. Look at the ESC, how long it is now.
Ooh, that's all the engine is? Is that what
Yep.
it is?
And see how it's spinning?
Yeah.
I never seen nothing like that. I seen my buddy with the crawler, he got a motor like this. He got a motor like that that spins constantly, but I never seen one before that.
They got the
And it got
they got metal trim tabs on it.
Yep, got the metal trim tabs.
It's got the it's a surface drive.
I'm sorry there.
Outrunner design.
Whoa, this thing is nice. Whoa. This thing got a rip. I know it rips.
I haven't driven one yet, but
It got a
I'm
rip,
sure
man.
someday I'll get to try it.
Oh, whoa. And then see up inside there, you can slide the extra battery. Gave you battery space.
Oh.
Ah. You guys keep on doing it, Traxxas.
Really do.
Sorry, Armor guys. Traxxas came out with something else. Cut it.
Not on my stand.
We had to come back, guys. Check it out. He brought it back. He had the green body. Is this the same truck with the rear wheel?
it's a totally different.
It's a totally different truck.
It's a totally different.
Guys. Now he cheating again. Look at those wheels. That's what you want it to look like right there. You see those wheels?
Any questions?
That's the wheels you want, man. You see how bad?
Those are 1.3.
1.3s? Look how bad it looked. And then he got the metal construction too. Look under it. Cause that's what you can do to that.
Oh.
Yeah, that's stock. But you can go the
There's
whole.
nothing stuck about that.
No, not that one. This one is.
Yeah. No, this one is.
You see that?
Curtis picks on me all the time because the only thing that's technically still Traxxas on it's in that one is the motor and
Curtis,
the
it's
top.
not a Traxxas car anymore.
The motor and the top. I know. I do like that.
So if you pull the top of it off,
Oh, you still got a Traxxas motor in there?
yeah, this is a new brushless Traxxas motor.
What?
Yeah, this is the new brushless one. It's right over here in the case.
What?
Oh, you don't know about that?
No, I don't know about that, man. You guys got secrets here.
Right here.
Oh, where have I been? Under a rock?
It's for the TRX farm. We got the portal axles, the two-speed transmission, and the brushless motor.
What's the portal axle?
So right here, the
Yeah.
portal axles.
Oh, that's
it
the
brings
one-
it brings it up about a quarter of an inch up more now.
Whoa.
They see 20 millimeters or whatever.
Wow, just 119 for that? That's it?
Yep, for the brushless motor, and it gives you the ESC and the motor, and you just link it to your controller that you already have.
Whoa.
So mine,
That
reason
thing's
why I
bad.
left this one basically the way this is because it's using a Traxxas. So, Curtis, I went back to a Traxxas controller.
You even got a different wheel? Man.
So if you plug it in
You gotta have a
now,
wider tire on it for more traction for steering.
Oh, for this guy right here? He getting you. Curtis is getting you right
yeah,
now.
he's always-
You gotta turn it for me, man, real quick for a little bit.
Look at it. You ain't gonna hurt it, man.
It sound different and move different from the one I have.
Well, it's brushless.
You want
Oh, yes,
something?
I do have.
You want something to climb? Go ahead and use my foot. You can crawl over my foot. Go ahead. You want to crawl over? Oh, you want to crawl over your foot? Oh, look at that thing, man.
That thing just
It just
went over, no problem.
no problem. I don't know if yours is gonna perform like that one, but
Right. Nonetheless.
you see that? You seen it?
Yeah.
What is that one he cutting up?
This one's 4-wheel steer.
So now you see how you can have your truck right there. You can have that one just like that.
Right.
And you want to see something neat? I set it up with this controller. Let me see that controller real quick.
Oh yeah.
Just stay right there. Watch.
Oh, slow crawl.
Yeah, so it's always going. So you can
Just there. It's on slow crawl.
Right.
So I set it up. I set it up to where it's the
Look at that.
multi-function switch.
Watch it get, it's gonna get up here too.
You can go forward or reverse with it.
It's getting up. Slow crawl. Oh, look at him, guys. I think he found a new love. He found a new love. Cut that joint.
It's a Volkswagen Beetle.
It is a Volkswagen.
That's a Volkswagen Beetle.
Oh.
It's a Beetle.
You
That's
even-
why I built it because it was a Beetle. I'm a Beetle guy.
And what batteries on this now?
This it's Traxxas.
Oh, I see. It's a Traxxas.
Do that got
oh,
the
wow.
rear steer?
We will see.
Okay, he gonna let us see. He ain't revealing it yet.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Oop.
What? What? You gonna let a beginner try?
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
I've already tried it. I've already done all kinds of stuff with it. So this button right here,
Oh yeah.
come over here. This button right here does the.
Reverse.
We got this set up on cruise control right now. So this one is cruise control. This one cycles through the steering modes.
Okay.
So see this. Look at the car.
Oh shit. Oh wow. Whoa. Or
See how it cycles through them? It'll keep cycling through them, so you can do crab walk.
And that's the Volkswagen Beetle.
And this one's got metal gears in the transmission, so it sounds a little.
Yeah. Yeah.
so let's go. What?
All right, Mark. We're gonna have to get the hell. We don't have to get the heck out. We ain't gonna never leave.
Yeah.
Cut it.